Hello. Programs on conditions. And these are those application programs which will come one after another to you. Okay, are you ready? So, application program number 1. What does the question say? The question says Roshni. Roshni is a very bright girl. She loves reading books. Not a part of the question. Roshni purchased 2 books from book fair. She also availed discounts on the books. The books whose printed price was more than 1000 rupees, the discount was 35%, obviously. And for other books, the discount was 10% on the cost price of the book. Now, input the printed price on the 2 books that she purchased, print the discount she got on each book, also print the total amount she paid. So we are going to write this program here. So now comes the program. It will be better if you write the program on your own once and keep the video paused, and after writing your own program you cross check your answer with the answer that I am going to show. Okay, so here comes the answer. The answer goes like, the class name is taken as question number 1, and since it is about books, then in the main there are variables, book price 1 and book price 2, and there are other variables which have been taken for storing the discount and storing the total discount and the total amount. Now, since the discount requires some calculation of fractions, therefore here double is the data type. So since D1 is going to store 35%, that means 35.0 by 100, therefore D1 is taken as double data. So the data type matters. It can store fraction now. So enter the price of the books B1 and B2. If B1 book price 1, BP1 is greater than 1000, then the discount is 35% of book price 1. Otherwise, the discount is 10% of book price 1. In the same way, see, the BP2 is, if BP2 is more than 1000, then the discount is 35% of BP2, or else the discount is 10% of BP2. The total discount, total D, is discount 1 plus discount 2, and the total amount to pay is this. BP1 plus BP2 is the total price of the books, both the books cost price, minus total discount, right? If you want to subtract BP1 minus D1, you will get the price of the first book. If you subtract D2 from BP2, then you will get the price of the second book after discount. That is up to you. The discount on the first book is this much, discount on the second book is this much, total discount availed by Roshni is this much, and the amount to pay is this much, right? Now I am going to run this one. When I will run the program, then you will get to see the output, right? Yes, can you see? The price of the book has been asked for. So enter the price of the first book. So I enter the price of the first book as 1200, right? And enter the price of the second book. I enter the price of the second book as say 800. Okay, see what happens. Discount on the first book is 420 rupees. Discount on the second book is 80 rupees. Total discount availed by Roshni is 500 rupees. And the amount to pay is 1500, right? So the total calculation is based on this. Now I would like to show you something different from the previous one, because this time I have kept this thing ready for you. You know what is it? It is the use of ternary operators. As I said in the previous video where I was explaining about conditions, I had said that this ternary operator is used for small cases. Now, if BP1 is greater than 1000, then discount 1 is 35% of BP1. Otherwise, the discount 1 is 10% of BP1 over. And same is with the second book. If the cost of the second book, BP2, is more than 1000, then 35% of BP2. Otherwise, 10% of BP2. And the entire work, you see, it has become so short this time. It is fitting in single screen only. And if I run this second one, then also you will get to see the same output. Let me show that to you now. Here comes the object. Now you see there are two methods I had written. This main 2, which is supposed to be the other main, I had written for your understanding of the work. So this time if I enter 1600 as the, okay, let me make it a little bigger, 2000 as the first price, first book's price, and 500 as the second book's price. What is the discount amount? 2000 is getting the discount of 35%, making it 700, and the second one is getting 50. So the total discount is 750, and the amount to pay is 1750. Okay.